scaffolding. The scaffolding basic definition is temporary work platform, which one we are using in the work at height, and that platform called scaffolding. The scaffolding have a basic four types: mobile scaffolding, stand scaffolding or stone scaffolding, bracket scaffolding, underhang or suspended scaffolding. The by weight scaffolding has three types: lightweight scaffolding, medium weight scaffolding, and special scaffolding or heavyweight scaffolding. By height, two types of scaffolding: less than 6 meter, more than 6 meters scaffolding. Less than 6 meters scaffolding supervisor, he can inspect and put a tag, and he is the responsible for that scaffolding. More than 6 meter, the scaffolding inspector, he can sign at the tag, and inspector required to for signature. Sometimes more than 12 meter, when we are acting a scaffolding, then we are have some special requirement. If we are working in the Aramco side, then last provision department signature or approval will be required to there. And the scaffolding design engineer, he can make a design for that scaffolding if we have a scaffolding more than 12 meter. For the scaffolding, wind speed 64 kilometer. If we have a per hour and 60 kilometer speed, we can work there. More than this, the work activity is not allowed in scaffolding. The scaffolding by material, we have two types of scaffolding. One, tubes and coupler scaffolding. The other one is system scaffolding. Tube and coupler scaffolding, we can erect, we can make a design, we can make a short or small or different type, different areas, different heights, and we can select to heights and everything. But for the system scaffolding, this one is manufacturer coming to there. There's a design, proper platform, everything. They are getting to there, and they are erecting to that scaffolding by their plan, their wish. Because system scaffolding, they make to properly same like this. Seeing to this one is bracket, and we can fix by where is the hole, and also we cannot reduce to the size or something. This type of scaffolding, that one is system. But other tube and coupler scaffolding means we are using a tube. There's a coupler's clamps, and that clamps only in our own hand where we can fix. We want to fix here, okay, we can fix. Here also, we can reduce to this hose to there, we can, and we can extend like this. But this one we cannot reduce, we cannot extend more. By this purpose, that system is a different, because the tube and coupler scaffolding mostly we are using in the plant side. And all scaffolding materials, tubes, yani that pipes, we not say to pipes at that time. When they have a different location, different direction, we are changing the name of that tubes. For example, we have this one tube, okay? And when we consider a tube, if we keep like this as a stand position, we say the words standards, okay? Standards. Standard mean this one is stand position in the four side, okay? That one is, we can say to there, that one post and standards, okay? The four posts like this. And when we are fixing in the bottom, okay, this one is bottom, that time we consider to this one, this direction we keep to there in the long side, okay? That one is runner. This one is long side. This one is short side, okay? For example, this one is long side, this one is short side, okay? The short side, we say barrier. We say sandpit pipe, but when change the location, okay? When we change its location and direction, at that time change the name. This location, if we keep to there, this means this pipe, what we say? Barrier. What we say? Barrier. And if we keep to this pipe in long side, what we say? Runner. What we say? Runner. And when we keep to this pipe as a support, like a cross, okay, then what we say? Braces. What we say? Braces. And different braces. In this side we keep this is different name, longitudinal braces, and like this. And this side, okay, we change the name, we say braces. And which one we fix to here for the fixing purpose? Clamp. If we keep in 90 angle like this, then we use this clamp, and this clamp we can say right angle coupler. What we say? Right angle coupler. And if we keep it like this one is cross scissor type. Then what we say? Scissor coupler. Scissor coupler. And then they change the name. And also when we keep to this one in bottom, we say kicker lift. We start from here in the bottom, 6 inch above from the ground. That one is what we say kicker lift. Then step we change 1, 2, 3. This one is first bay. Bay. What we say? Bay. First bay, second bay, third bay, fourth bay. This one is platform. Platform. The first platform, second platform, third platform. But we cannot say to these are platform. Okay? This one is bay. First bay, second bay, third bay. If we have a work here, see, we have a proper work here in this area. This is a platform. These are bay. But this one is platform. And this platform we use to some material, which one is planks. Wooden planks. The wooden planks thick is how much? 2 inch. How much? 2 inch. Like this. This is the thickness of plate wooden. Which wooden we using to their planks? That one is planks. See to 2 inch. This one is scaffolding planks. And when we keep to these planks at the platform here, up top side, then what we say? Platform. Okay, this one is become as a platform. We keep to their planks, then we make to this one is platform. And the different size, when we keep to at the ground for stability. What? For stability, because sometimes surface is not work, sand or some other material is there, or loose soil or something. Then we use to there in the bottom as a planks. But what is the name of that planks at that time? Soil board. What we say? Soil board. Because the same planks, what we keep under the scaffolding. For the see, this one is scaffolding. We keep to with this base plate. Okay, that base plate is coming here, upside the adjustable screw. Then we fix to tube. First what we keep? Soil board. Then base plate also 6 by 6, 6 inch, 6 inch, 6 inch. And there is we put 2 nails also. 4 nails we can fix to there. And 2 base plate coming in the under the one soil board. 2 base plate coming. 2 base plates are coming at the one soil board. We cannot keep the soil board different. For example, for this one plate, one tube is coming to here with the soil board. Only we keep small piece. No, this piece must be how much we have a width of the barrier or runner. Under the runner side or under the barrier side must be, we need to planks, which one is width is or length is, must be under the 2 posts. Under the 2 posts. This keeping like this one is post. 2 posts. For the barrier side post or runner side post. The short planks we cannot keep under the soil as a soil board. Must be under the 2 posts. This one is coming. And the other thing, this soil board, when we keep to there under the 2 posts. And then what we keep to there? Platform. Make a platform. And platform have a proper planks. And the planks, and there is also coming to this runner, barrier, everything. But when we reach to here, then we keep to platform and then we make a toe board. What we make? Toe board. Now I am giving an example to you. Toe board. This one like this. There we keep to 6 to 4 to 6 inch planks. 6 to 4 edge plank, same plank. But what we keep like this, in this direction. It's mean this one is soil board. This one toe board. What is the function of this plank? Toe board, but what is the function? Function, the material cannot drop from the top. If we have some material here, if we keep here some planks, or this material can fall down? No. Accidentally, this material is not coming down. For this purpose, we keep to soil board. The soil board height is a 4 to 6 inch. We can keep 4 inch also we allow, but 6 inch. If we have a soil board, we can keep to there. If the more than this, also no problem. But we must be put there toe board. What's we keep? Toe board. Then after toe board, we need to mid rail. What we keep? Mid rail. Then top rail. We have a work here, but we need the mid rail. We need the top rail also. Understand? Without, if we have any activity in the scaffold, these all parts we must be checked. If the something is remaining, we cannot use to that scaffolding. And without access, we cannot use the scaffolding. We must be put the access there, ladder. Okay, ladder. How we will keep? For example, this pipe is 4 meter. Okay, and we make a 75 angle ladder. What is the direction of angle? 75 angle. We keep to ladder. And if we have this ladder, I am showing to you now how the ladder is coming. 60. We check. They bring the ladder from there. Come up. And this ladder, when we stand to somewhere, bring ladder. There is no check. Okay, leave. No, then come. No. Okay, no problem. Somebody check. Okay. This one is, for example, if we have a 4 meter ladder, okay, and what is the method? This 4 meter, how we can make a angle in 75? Then in 1 meter, we give the distance from the bottom to this area. Okay, from the bottom, for example, this is the bottom. Okay, we keep to this ladder like a 75. We make from here 1 meter. Distance from here. Okay. If we keep a 1 meter here, then 4 meter height if they have this scaffolding. For example, I'm showing first how we made it. One, some short size. We divide to this one in 4. There's a 1, 2, and yeah, give me this one. 1, 2, yes, 1, 2, 3. Now this 4 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, this one is 4 meters, for example. This is 1 meter, or what is the difference? 1 feet. It's okay. This one is 1 feet. If we are fixing to this 4 feet ladder, then how we can keep to this in 75? We get like this. See, if we keep 1 feet from the bottom and 4 feet, we are giving height to this, and this ladder become in 75 angle. What is the angle of this ladder now?
75.
75 angle ladder. Because we keep from bottom to here 1 feet. This direction we get it there. If we have some proper angle or something, we can check this direction. This one is coming in 75. And the ladders, we must be keep above the platform 1 meter or 3 steps. 1, 2, and 3 steps. We keep above the platform. How many steps? 3 steps upside. Because we want to land here. We keep to go 3 steps above the ladder. And then at the top, see, this one is top rail, this is mid rail. Our ladder fixed with the top rail. Our person can go from here. We keep the ladder like this. And when the person is coming here, then they will also have a drop bar with the top rail. When the person in, this drop bar is closed. When he is going to there, he keep up, then he can enter to there. Then after that, he can use to this barrier, a drop bar. and the person cannot accidentally come back or cannot fall down there. The platform properly we check to there, we keep to proper arrange the planks, we not give the full distance between the planks. And at the last, less than 2 planks, we cannot use the any platform. If we have a small scaffold, also keep to 2 planks. 1 plank scaffold or platform or walk distance walkway we cannot make. Must be how many planks? 2 planks. 2 planks mean mostly we have a 9-inch planks or 12-inch. How much? 9-inch are this plank you can see. This one is 9-inch and sometimes 12-inch. We can use the planks. You can see that. This one is 9-inch planks. Okay. This one is 9-inch. And sometimes we are using 1/5 12-inch. And if we have a 12-inch, mean 24-inch, we can make a walkway. How much? 2 planks mean 24-inch. At the last, if we don't have a 12-inch planks, it means 9-inch planks we have, then 18-inch. Less than 18-inch, we cannot make any walkway. Clear? Yes. Walkway means if we want to cross from one place to here, we want to take a step, we cannot keep a 1 plank only. Must be 2. And if we are making any platform, less than 2 planks, we cannot make any platform. And the other thing, when we are using to these planks, there is required the proper tag system. If we have a red tag there, it means nobody can use that scaffolding. Only scaffolding erectors, scaffolding supervisors, scaffolding inspector, when they are checking to there, they can travel there. Nobody can go there for the work except the scaffolder erector or dismantle. Scaffolding team, they can go there for the checking or for erection or repairing or something. But other people, if there is a red tag, no, not possible. And mostly companies, they are putting to their yellow tag when they are working to that area. But the yellow tag means with full body harness, with fall protection, with fall arrest system, you can travel there if there is a yellow tag. In Aramco side, this standard, yellow tag. But mostly company, they are using only yellow tag. When they have a walk to there is a summit duty. Without full body harness, they are not allowed to travel there. For that purpose, they are putting a yellow tag. And the green tag, if they are fixing to the Aramco standard, green tag, it means there is not required to any fall arrest system or fall protection system. Means the full body harness is not required if there is a green tag. But where they putting the green tag, if there is a proper ladder, proper access, proper this one system, and barricade system and everything is well, at that time they are putting the green tag. But in the SABUK standard, in OSHA standard, if there is a green tag in the scaffolding, means wear the full protection, full body harness, proper tie, everything, then after that you can go to there for work. Clear? Yes. Green tag means the wear the proper protection, and then after that go there at the scaffolding, they are writing to there. But sometime in the green tag, they are writing to there not required the full body harness. Then okay, they can use to that scaffolding. But mostly red tag means not allowed to work. The yellow tag means restricted area. There is a wear the proper protection and then go to there. Green tag means you can use the scaffolding. You can use the scaffolding. This is inspected for the work. And the green tag also, they are putting the signature of supervisor. Weekly inspection is there. If the weekly tag is there, but inspection is expired, date is passed now, it means this scaffolding is not allowed to use because date is expired. And they are putting the date and everything. If during the scaffolding, when they erect to this, if they are going to change something without scaffolding people, without proper inspection, without supervisor inspection, it means this scaffolding also not able to use. This one is expired, finished. Because why they change to something? They cannot modify it to their workers. They cannot change anything. Other workers who is working to there. But scaffolding people, they can do. The other thing, which one you can see today, I am wearing a full body harness. Are you seeing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why I am wearing? But the scaffolding people, scaffolder 1, scaffolder 2, scaffolding supervisor, scaffolding safety officer, scaffolding inspector are related with the scaffolding job. Scaffolding engineer is there. Any person who is related with the scaffolding activity, those all people continue when they are coming from his own accommodation, going to job, or staying at the site, they are working, they are going outside or not going, they are staying with the people, they must be wear to their dress. This is a dress. This one is special dress for them. All scaffolding team, they always wearing a full body harness. If they are standing at the ground, also they are wearing. Nobody knows which time they need to go there. And at that time they are wearing to this. No, this is a dress. Yeah, I know. This is have a weight, maybe more than 3 kg or something. But they are making their behavior. They are always wearing. If the safety officer he is not going to the scaffolding erector, they are going to erect or something. The scaffolding erector also, everybody is not going to for erection. Only scaffold 1, he is the responsible to erect to that scaffolding. The scaffolder 2, they are getting a proper training. Scaffolder 2, only he is a helper. He is giving material. He is giving this tube to give to others. They give to others like this. He is bringing material or something supporting what he is bringing to this dress also. Without dress, he cannot work as a labor there. Always he is wearing to this dress. Why? Maybe sometimes the person he needs to some material, give to one place to other, for example. And also one more thing, sometimes we cannot throw anything up to down, down to up. We cannot give to this material, oh, catch to this, no, not possible. Always 2% hold one tube if they are going to travel and they are bringing material up to down or down to up. What are they doing? They are standing the person. Okay, one person is standing here, second one is here, third one is here. Okay, how they are giving material? This person first he hold, one person at the ground. Okay, he is giving this material. This person hold this material until this person not leaving this material. To this material reach to here. Then one person is standing here, he is holding this. The second person is here. They 2% hold. Then who is the ground at the ground? That person leave this. That person, when this material reach to here, he cannot leave. He hold. The person hold. 2% hold the one material in one time. Understand? The one tube, how many people they are holding? 2. First, when he is taking from the ground, at that time he is single. Okay, and how he is holding? He is not doing do like this. He must be straight like this, and then he hold from there. He take this material, keep up, okay, like this, and then he get this one, hold, give to this. Then he stand there. This person hold. Then the material reach to here. This person is holding, and this one also holding. Then third person he take to other, and he leave to this area. Maybe this tubes can collapse, and then after that hit to him. There 2 people they hold, and then after that, then this material reach to here. This person free. This 2, they 2 holding. Then material reach to here. Then this one is free. They 2 holding. Then material reach to here. Then this one is free, and this 2 holding. If by manually, by hand, if they are giving to them. Other method we are using to there, we are using a proper pulley system. Okay, that one we use to there, and then after that material we keep to there in the bucket. We tie properly, and 2 knots we must be give to there. For example, this tube we are extending to there, and how we using? This is our material basket. Okay, and we keep to inside the basket this material, and then what we do? This basket we keep to there. Then after that we tie the rope here. We tie from here 2 knots, 1 knot, second knot, and then we have a bucket inside the bucket. This one under this one also have a bucket to hold, and then we tie their pulley, and we are holding this bucket from the rope here. Also, we have one rope who is giving this material. He is holding this rope here. Tagline. With this why tagline? Because directly If we take to this material, maybe hit here. By this purpose, this one tie there, they are pulling, and this person who is at the ground, he is not standing under the load. He must be hold a rope, tag line, and keep like this. He stay there, and this material is going like this. When they are pulling, this material is going. He is slowly he is going to lose this rope, and this material is going like this direction, not like this. And the person also not staying there. He is staying here. If the material fell down, material can come down, but the person is safe. He is staying far from there, holding from here, holding to there. Yesterday also we bring a one rope, that one for this purpose, but we practically when we do outside, then we can. And this material is going to there. Clear? Or this tagline also required. And nobody can throw to any clamps or anything. Top to down or down to top. And all tools, all our, we are using a spanner sometimes we have other clamps or something. Everything we put in the box. Our clamps, everything, we cannot throw to there. All material must be tied properly, use the proper rope, everything. And our own spanner, our own tool, we must be tying our full body, our body, our level. Mostly we are using a level. For example, we keep the pipe tube, we put a level there. Or this level is well straight. This level also we tie with the rope with our body. And our spanner, which one we are using for the bolt tightening, that one also we tie in our full body harness. Loose tool, loose material we cannot use in the scaffolding. For the scaffolding, if there is a rain or any weather change, again we need the scaffolding. For example, we erect the scaffolding, there is a date and everything. But rain come and then maybe this scaffolding get us, the ground is not level or something is damaged or something, we remove the people. Again, scaffolding supervisor, he is going to side, he check if this scaffolding not getting any effect or any problem, then after that he is signing again, then after that they can proceed. Okay? If somebody hit a scaffolding, there is a tag and everything, some vehicles or something, and then again need to inspection. So scaffolding supervisor coming to at the side, again he is signing to there, then after that the people can walk. If anybody, they open the tube from there, this tube is there, and they open for some material or something, maybe the material is going to there inside, they remove the tube from there, workers. And if, again tag is there, inspection tag, nobody is authorized to remove any tube. If they remove, they must be called the supervisor. The supervisor assigned the again scaffolding team. The scaffolding team, they can remove to that one. But they put to tag first, red tag. Remove all people. They put the red tag. And then when they fix, again, scaffolding supervisor, he signed and put on the green tag, then they allowed to work. By themselves, workers, they cannot remove anything from there. The type of scaffolding, which one we discussed there, the basic mobile scaffolding. Mobile scaffolding inside the building, sometimes we are using to this. Sometimes people, they are working to here, there is a wheel. What is the type? There is a wheel under the scaffolding. We can pull the scaffolding one place to the place, but which time we can pull and the person is not there. Nobody can travel at the scaffolding when we are moving to there. When they want to move the scaffolding one place to the place, the person who is working to there, he must become at the ground. Okay. Then after that, they can pull or push the two people. One is scaffolding, the person who is covering to that area, he is staying at the ground. The other person, if he is working to there, at that time 2 or 3 person, how many people they are working to there, no problem. But when they want to move this scaffolding one place to the place, they must become at the ground. And when they are working to there, they must be stopper used to there. Caster wheel, okay, they are using to there. But that caster wheel, they have a proper lock. When they're going up, they put lock. Okay, if they lock, then after that they can go to there or work. But when they come down, they open the lock, then they can push. But upside, if they have somebody's, nobody can push. Nobody can pull to that scaffolding. Okay. For the stand scaffolding, they need to soil board. Then they need to base plate. Then they need to adjustable screw. That's inside the tube, because this one sometimes keep you down or up. And then after that, clamps, braces, and then cross braces, side braces. Then after that one this one toe board, platform, mid rail, top rail. Okay, the mid rail to platform, we need to distance. How much distance? 50 centimeter, 50 centi, and 100 centi. Yani 1 meter we keep to that top rail. Top rail. Okay, there's a mid rail. For example, this one is platform. Which one? This is the platform. This one is mid rail. This one is how much distance? 50 centi. And this one is 1 meter height. 90 to 1 meter height. And more than 1 meter also we can keep this one, top rail. And our platform to top 1 meter we keep to ladder also. This is the platform, but we keep ladder here. Mostly, when we are working in our home, we keep a ladder like this, and we are going to there at the platform. But this is around. When we are going to outside the roof, we must be use the 1 meter height from above from the platform, from the roof. Why? We easily hold and we can go to there. But if we are keeping here, then where we hold? We don't have any holding system. For this purpose, this is around, we keep to 1 meter up. And for mobile scaffold, we stop to that wheel and properly use. Okay, this one is mobile scaffold, easily we move one place to other place. The other thing, the bracket scaffold. Bracket scaffold mostly not going from bottom, but top side, upside the top, some tankers, vessel like this. At that area, when we are using, we are working to there, at the side we are making a some bracket. For example, this is not coming from bottom. Upside, we have some work here. Bracket only we put to there. This is a bracket. Okay, this one you see, there's a bracket. Upside we can work here, but we get it support from back. Okay, with the wall, with the side. For example, here we want to make a bracket scaffold. We keep to this. We get a bracket from here. Okay, like this, and we make a platform here at the side. Okay, only at the top. That one is bracket scaffolding. And other end scaffolding is very easy. You seen in the big high-rise building, the people they want to paint, they want to remove something, some fixing, and this suspended scaffolding coming from the top to bottom. This is the building of roof. Then after that, people is coming to here by suspended. This one is underhang scaffold. Which one is we use to like we are using some word like a dolly. We are using in our own words. Okay. Yes. Basket means that basket is coming from top to down. The people working here, then they move to here, they move to here, they get to up like this. That one is underhang. The suspended, we want to work here. We have there's a platform, there's a pipeline or something. Okay. For example, this one is pipeline. We want to work here, and we get a support from this, and we make a scaffold here in this area. We take support from here, only we get access. Other all material we attach with this, we get support from this structure, I-beams or pillars, and then after that we can work here. We make a work platform in this area. We tie with this. That one is which one? Suspended. Which one? Suspended. There is a 4 type of scaffolding total. Okay. Tower and mobile, tower and bracket and suspended or underhang. Clear? And this one is very easy topic, but there is a lot of things. Then the scaffold activities, when we are working to there, we carefully work to there. If we are not untrained, we are not getting a proper training, we are untrained, we cannot work at scaffolding. Scaffolding activities, when the people they are working, they are properly getting a training, proper, healthy, and they understand everything, then they can work. The new people, they are getting a first proper training, proper certification, proper preparing to themselves, then after that they can work to there. Clear? And sometimes, what are the mistakes? The people they are working to there at the scaffolding. Sometimes I seen to there, mostly they are doing this mistake. When they are here, first they must be tied to their own clamp, which they keep to one, clamp and put to there. Okay, like this. Then they can work. And if they are going to up, they put the clamp there, and after that they reach to here. The clamp is down and they reach to there. This is doing a mistake. When you are going to upside, you must be keep to your scaffolding above your height, like this. Then you work here. When you reach to here, your clamp must be go to above. They are doing a work as a mistake. They are working to there, but they keep to there, and then after that they are working here. Still there is the encourage point they are using to in the bottom. Always keep to your full body harness or encourage point used to there above your height. Clear? And this one also we have a practical. After that I am showing to you how the benefits coming to there if we are using in 1.8. If their height is less than 1.8, our height is less than 1.8. At that time not required to put this full body harness there. Clear? When we reach to above the 1.8 meter, at that time we are using to this full body harness. Less than 1.8 meter we cannot use to full body harness. But the work at height, what's the work at height? 1.2 meter. When we reach to there, that work at height. But when we are using to this scaffolding, this full body harness, when we reach to 1.8 meter or above, 1.8 meter or above, then we use to encourage point, we put to this full body harness. But if we are at the ground, no need to encourage anywhere. But here, we always, because we are working with there, we are related with the scaffolding. We are in crew, scaffolding crew, or scaffolding team members. By this reason, we have this is our dress. Same like if we are going to offshore, all people, if the manager, director, supervisor, or anybody, they are all people. They are wearing a life jacket, signed like this. Okay, and if we are working in the scaffolding activity, then this is our dress. All people they are wearing, and the safety team, safety officer also, if we are working with them, they are wearing. He is wearing the proper protection for that. Without this, nobody can work. And the low weight scaffolding, this one I say three times. The low weight scaffolding means the 1 person and 20 kg weight in the square meter. Per square meter, how much weight? 120 kg means 1 person and 20 kg for the luggage and tools and these things. He can use to in 1 square meter. If the medium weight scaffolding means the 2 person and 40 kg, 240 kg weights they can keep to in 1 square meter. And if we have a more meter, more load or heavy material or equipment or something, that one is special scaffolding. Then that one is specially we make there, we increase the post. See, this one is post. If small scaffold or some lightweight scaffold, only we keep a 4 post, it's enough. But when we make a medium weight scaffold, it means we increase the post because all weight going to post. If the special scaffold, it means we keep a distance more small and we keep too much post to increase the post. Understand? Post in this direction, pipe usual we are fixing to there. We increase the post means we are making a more, we are getting a more capacity. We are getting a more capacity. We can put the more load there. Under the bridge, we are using this scaffolding material, you know. How much weight is bridge weight? Too much load. Okay, there is sometimes vehicles crossing to there and everything, but we keep to this one under the bridge also. But what we do, we use this technology, we increase the post there. Clear? And this one is basic information, little bit, but if you understand this, it's you understand and carefully. We have a proper training for this. We have a presentation. Which one you are now understanding something? Maybe I did a mistake. You trace to these all my mistake from the presentation. Okay, thank you.
Thanks.